Well, hello there, guys. So, I have been on YouTube now for 5 whole years. So, I've been doing a lot of thinking, and maybe it's time for me to hang up my apron. April Fools! I am not hanging up my apron, guys, but I do want to talk about YouTube for a bit. Please don't be mad at me for doing an April Fool's joke. I just couldn't help it. I always post my videos on Mondays and Thursdays, and this year, April Fool's Day fell on a Monday, so it just worked out perfect. Now, I have been on YouTube now for 5 years, and I would be lying if I said I never thought about quitting or hanging up my apron. I just want to share with you today everything I've learned from being on YouTube. There is a lot of pros and there are some cons, so I just thought I would share those with you. And my biggest pro from being on YouTube is you guys. No joke. I have truly been blessed with wonderful support from my subscribers, my YouTube family. You guys have become friends, and your encouragement to me when you post or you share your comments truly just keep me doing what I'm doing. They encourage me, they put a smile on my face, and I appreciate each and every one of you so much. Okay, so another pro is I think that being on YouTube has really given me more confidence. Filming, being behind the camera is not the easiest thing to do. It really does not feel natural, but I have learned over 5 years, and I feel a lot more comfortable behind camera now. When I look at the first video that I ever put on YouTube, which was actually February 2nd, 2019, I just look at that and I almost cringe.
Welcome to Time to Cook. Today I'm going to make for you a super easy one-pan meal.
Yeah, and this was my old kitchen, so a lot has changed on my channel. I've moved, got a new kitchen, even a new remodel, but I do feel like I have more confidence. And another pro for me personally is I think that YouTube really stretches my skills, I guess. I'm always looking for different recipes, and that can be a challenge, but it really just helps my mind, my mental culinary mind stay sharp. And along those same lines, I have learned several skills being on YouTube: filming, lighting, sound, editing, all of that I've learned from being on YouTube, and I really enjoy that process. I love editing and I love filming, so much so that for those of you who do not know, I have a second channel. It's my hiking and travel channel, and I love filming that. I just love filming what I love, cooking and hiking and traveling. Let's see, this is my hiking and travel channel, and I've got quite a few videos on this channel as well. So if you're interested, you can go and check those out. Me and my husband Adam, we went to Scotland last year for our anniversary, and I've got all of our Scotland trip on this channel. I can't stop taking pictures and videoing those little baby lambs. They're so cute. And I also think that being on YouTube really pushed me, stretched me to make a cookbook. I'm not sure I would have ever done that if I had not been on YouTube. I really learned a lot in the process of making this cookbook and getting it published on Amazon. I have to thank my sister and niece a lot for this because without them, I don't think I could have done it. But yeah, I've got a cookbook now. And I also have a website that I would not probably have if I was not on YouTube. I put the link to my website in the description box below. It's underneath every video. You can go check that out if you like. And I believe you can even print the recipes off of the website. Not every single recipe that I have on my channel is on my website, but most of them are. And I also have to say that I've learned a lot from other YouTube creators. And it's amazing the community that's there. YouTube creators are very supportive, encouraging to one another. One in particular that I have become very close friends with is Linda, and she has her own channel. It's Easy Cooking with Linda B. I have mentioned her in several of my videos, but she's just become a really good friend. And you know, I would not have met Linda. I've actually never met her in person. We hope to do that one day, but I would have never communicated or talked with her or gotten to know her had I not been on YouTube. All right, so now I'm going to talk about the cons of being on YouTube. And I want to be just open and honest, transparent with you guys. It can be a little discouraging. After being on YouTube for 5 years, I feel like sometimes my channel is just slowly growing. I've seen many other channels just skyrocket and just far past me surpass me. And that can be discouraging, especially when you put so much time and work into it. And when I say that, I mean like the amount of views or the amount of subscribers. Now, I am at 37,405 subscribers, which is excellent. I'm not complaining. Please don't think I'm complaining. I'm not complaining. I know that that is a lot. But in the YouTube world, that is extremely small. You know, to really get anywhere, a lot of channels exceed 100,000 subscribers, and I would like to get there. I would like to have my gold YouTube plaque or silver plaque, 100 subscriber plaque. My goal is for every video that I post to get 1,000+ views per video, and I don't really even get 10% of my subscribers as far as the views are concerned. But that's okay. I'm like the little engine that could. I just keep going. I just keep putting those videos out every Monday and every Thursday in hopes that one day I will reach my goal and I will go over 100,000 subscribers. I do want to tell you guys, just in case you don't know, and I'm not sure why this happens, but sometimes, like, I don't know if YouTube drops subscribers or what, but sometimes people think that they're subscribed, or they may have subscribed at one time and then they go to look and they're no longer subscribed. I don't know. I don't have answers for those kind of questions, but if you would go and look and see if you have subscribed to my channel and just double check. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. I know that my watch time from subscribers has always been, there's 93% of my watch time are from non-subscribers. I only have 7% of people watch time from subscribers. That's the way it's always been for me. I don't really know how to change that. I only do what I know how to do. So the other con from being on YouTube is, I would have to say, the negative comments. And from all the comments that I receive, 98% I would say are positive. But you do have people out there that are just mean. They're just mean and they just troll. And they say the really hurtful things at times. And There are things that have been said that have hurt my feelings. I'm not going to lie. But for the most part, I just don't pay any attention to it. I mean, you can't. If you did, I would have quit a long time ago. My biggest, most views ever video is my 3-ingredient queso blanco. And this video came out February 17th of 2019. So it's one of my first videos. I gained 1.6 thousand subscribers, and on this video alone I have made $2,829. All right, so the only other con that I can think of is sometimes it's difficult to find time to film, especially if I got a lot going on. Trying to find a day where I can film can be a challenge at times, but that's just with anything. It's with any job, and this is my full-time job. I am a certified chef. In 2012, I went to culinary school. I graduated in 2014 with the American Culinary Federation sous chef certification. I worked in a professional kitchen for several years. I catered for several years until COVID, and then I started this YouTube thing, and it is pretty much all I do. I'm just very blessed to have a husband who supports me. He works full time. I'm not sure I could really support myself on YouTube. That's my goal. I think that I would love to one day think that I could make enough on YouTube to support myself, but it just gives us some extra money to travel and things like that. So that's all there is to this video. I just wanted to share all that with you. Everything that I've learned from being on YouTube for 5 years. And I just want to thank all of my faithful subscribers for tuning in each week and giving me likes and comments and sharing my videos. You guys are so encouraging to me. But thank you so much for watching and spending time with me on this video. Hope you have a wonderful day. God bless each and every one of you, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.